Just imagine building your own luxury estate in this 10-acre ocean villa on Big Island, Hawaii.
Aloha! I am Chiaki Yamada, real estate broker from Big Island, Hawaii. We are at North Kauhola, nearby Hawi, luxurious gated community, Puakea Bay Ranch. Welcome to my listing!
Puakea Bay Ranch is a private and quiet community of 10-acre lots with only 40 home sites. This lot, number 5, is fairly level, faces directly to the ocean, and offers gorgeous ocean view. Puakea Bay Ranch is a personally manned 7 days a week for privacy and security for the residents and guests. Enjoy peaceful country life, yet you are just minutes away from rural community Hawi, where you can enjoy restaurants, gallery, and shopping. You are also 20-minute drive from world-class Kauhola Resort and white sandy beaches. Community has oceanfront creek park for residents and guests to enjoy. It offers spectacular ocean and sunset views and amazing sights of whale during winter. Oceanfront Park also offers peaceful picnic area for family to enjoy. Experience the natural beauty and the peaceful lifestyle of this land can offer. Thank you for watching. If you or anybody you know thinking of selling or buying real estate on Big Island, Hawaii, I'll be happy to be of your service. See you next time. Mahalo!